So here is the first heading that we are going to discuss, that is about the revenue from operations. Now what do we mean by revenue from operation? It is actually the revenue that is earned from the business activities of a company. Very important. The revenue, the income that a company earns through the main activities, through the business activities of that company, those are called as revenue from operations. Clear? Now what items will come under revenue from operations? Let's have a look over here. See, revenue from sale of product. In case we are selling any product, that value will come. But again, we have to keep this thing in mind, that in case there is any sales return, okay, if there is any kind of sales return, then we have to subtract that, right? After that, subsection B says revenue from sale of services. So both, either a company is selling any product, that value will come, or if a company is selling any services, that value will come. Okay, and also other operating revenues such as sale of scrap. So in case the company is selling off any scrap material and earning something, that amount will also be shown under the head of revenue from operations. Very simple. Understood? Revenue from operations. Okay. Now one thing I would like all of you to notice over here is that this line. In case of a finance company, the following will become the revenue from operations. Now what do we mean by a finance company? A finance company is a company whose main business is to lend money to the people and charge them interest. Okay, so it somewhat operates like a bank. Clear? Understood a finance company? So for a finance company, the main activities of the business, the main operating activities of the business would be what? It would be not selling of any product or selling of any services. Okay, so that time we need to keep in mind that whether we are talking about a non-financial company or we are talking about a financial company, because in respect of financial company, our revenue from operations items will change. So what items will come over here? Let's have a look. Interest income, that will be a main activity, income through the main activity of the business, and that is why it will be shown under revenue from operations. Then dividend income, that is also a part of revenue from operations in case of a finance company. Net gain or loss on sale of investments, revenue from other financial services. Understood? So the thing which you need to keep in mind over here is that for the non-financial companies, that means the normal companies, the revenue from operations will constitute of revenue from sale of products, revenue from sale of services, revenue from sale of scrap. But in case it is a financial company or finance company, then the main business activities, income through it would be interest income, dividend income, net gain or loss from the sale of investments, and revenue from other financial services. I hope this would be very clear to you. So we are done with revenue from operations. That is the first heading completed. Let's move forward. Now on moving forward, we get to see the second heading, that is other income. Now what specific items do come under other income? Let's have a look. Interest income will come over here. Dividend income will come. Gain on sale of investments, rent received, discount received, commission received, profit on sale of fixed assets, sale of miscellaneous items, refund of income tax. Right? So these items will come under other income. And what is other income? Other income are those kind of revenue which is earned by the company not through the main activity of the business. Through any other activity, through any side activity, if the business is earning any money, the business is earning any revenue, that will come under the heading of other income. Clear? Now this also we are talking in respect of a non-financial company, because for a non-financial company, the dividend income would definitely be a other income. But if we talk in respect of a financial company or finance company, then this dividend income itself will be shown under revenue from operations. I hope this you were able to understand, right? Generally, in a normal approach, we talk in respect of non-finance company or non-financial company, correct? But just be alert that in case in the question it is asked about a finance company or a financial company, then you need to be a little alert and put items properly. For a finance company, dividend income, interest income, these will come as a main income source, so it will be placed under revenue from operations, right? Clear with this other income? Okay, let's move forward. The third heading that we see in a statement of profit and loss is total revenue. Okay, now what is total revenue? Total revenue is the addition of revenue from operations plus other income. Very simple.